WallHound-Pro also has a nice integrated feature, a built-in UPS battery backup system. So here we have the WallHound-Pro. If I disconnect the power, it's running continuously from its internal battery. We do not have a lithium cell in here. We have is a sealed gel cell, which is very similar to what's used in the in airplanes. So it doesn't matter what the orientation of it is. It's sealed and it will give power for a number of hours depending upon the configuration mode that it's in. There's another nice feature that's integrated in here to the battery, and that's an alert. You can actually have an alert set for the battery monitor. What does that mean? It actually monitors the condition of the UPS battery, how much capacity is left. Regardless if the unit is on or off, we can monitor what the battery level is. So when the voltage is depleted over time, say we run this unit for a couple hours and I have the battery monitor on, it will have a separate circuit that will set off a little alert and it'll beep, telling me that it's time to plug the system back in so it could charge up the internal UPS battery system. If you don't want that to ever go off, you simply shut that off. What that would do is then, if this unit was sitting over a period of time, the battery would just naturally be depleted, but the alarm would never go off. So again, that's user configurable. I prefer it in the on position. That way I always know it'll alert me if the battery gets low and I have to plug the system in.